Today we are going to be doing a studio shoot. We have a beautiful large octabox here. I'm going to have Ella just, you know, doing some natural type poses for her book. I don't really shoot a lot of in-studio stuff, so I thought this could be fun. I also have this V flat that's going to bounce back some light and fill in the shadows. It's going to be a nice light sort of portrait, so I'll show you guys all of that, and Ella will be modeling today, so that's exciting.
It is.
Let's get started. So the gear that we're using today, I have my Canon 20-40-70 lens, and then I'm using my Canon 5D Mark IV. For lighting, this was actually provided by the studio. So the light today is a Godox QT600 3M, and then we have the Photix Raja 150. So hopefully I said all that right. And also we're gonna be using a V flat, and I have it placed right here next to the model so it can bounce back some light. I'm looking for a bit of a lighter photo, just so it'll be easier to edit. I do like the photo to be a little bit more like cleaner, so that's the look I'm going for today. So this one is giant because I just want it to be softer light. Cool. It's gonna take me a little bit of tinkering with this. Nothing is coming up. Literally nothing. Okay, that's great.
Cool.
Always what you want to see during a photo shoot. It's a black image. That's great. Okay, now I see you. She showed up. She showed up. We're making progress. We're making progress. Okay, slowly but surely. There we go. We did it.
Cool.
We did it. It was the shutter speed. It was the shutter speed, everyone. Was a little worried, not gonna lie. The pictures weren't even turning out. So we went from literally 2 images of just this, and then there we go. So I kind of want this a bit to the side. I want to get that more like moody light.
Yeah, what's kind of the vibe? Like, what do you? Is it like portraits or?
Yeah, we're gonna do like just have headshots.
Cool.
Can I fix this real
Of course.
quick? Wow, these are great. I mean, this is great. It's great. Got the big, nice, soft light. Maybe should I bring that closer to you? Like it's like touching your face at one point.
I'm like
It's
pressing.
like it's a little. Yeah, it's like you're like this. You're in the beauty dish.
Flat.
You're like literally in there.
Like inside.
You're inside. I'm like, are you good, Ella? I open this up and I'm like, hey
It's like
girl.
a tent.
Hey girl, are you okay in there? You good? This is something more like you bring your neck out. Like, there you go. But bring your chin down just a little bit more. Exactly. And then bring your shoulder out this way. Yeah. These are the photos. There's our beautiful model. Ella, she's a Sagittarius. What's your birthday?
26th of November. That lighting is so pretty.
Thank you. Let's do, remember how you see how you had your hands like that? Yeah, let's do something like that. Gorgeous. Good job. Chin down just a little bit more. Great. I kind of love this side light. I had it like more flat on your face, but I'm gonna do this more. Chin down just a little bit more, and then kind of like bring your shoulders forward like this, yeah. I'm kind of enjoying shooting indoors, not gonna lie. It's very relaxing. Bring your shoulder just a little bit, yeah. This V flat is great too. The white bounces back and then it fills in the shadow. So usually like if I didn't have this here, it would probably be darker around here, yeah. Let's have one of you like looking out this way. Chin up a bit, just a little bit. I'm really happy with the light. I was a bit nervous, not gonna lie.
No, it's great.
Yeah, I'm really happy with it.
Beautiful.
I mean, you did a great makeup, you're a great poser.
Look at us.
Look Wait,
Team
do you know that?
dog.
Do you know that one? The one meme. Look at us.
Who would have thought?
Who would have thought? Yo, I love it. You know, sometimes I say that and I'm like, do people know what I'm talking about?
I do the exact
Look at
same
us.
thing.
Hey,
Who would have thought?
look at us. Who would have thought? She's great.